Dear friends, now we will discuss about the unique history of Puducherry. Formerly, Puducherry, Karaikal, Magi and Yanam districts on the borders of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala have been under the direct control of the French colony since August 15th, 1962. Finally, Puducherry was merged with Indian Union Territory on 16th August 1962. The point herein is that the Indian Parliament has passed Government of India Union Territories Act 1963 and Puducherry was made as a union territory and as a legislation and a council of ministers and the administrator duly appointed by the President of India. That was the administrative setup of the Legislative Assembly. But the problem is that the Pondicherry Union Territory has faced many ups and downs, that is defections, and under umpteen number of times it was under the president rule for obvious reasons. What was the aim of the constitutional makers and the parliament to create union territories under the legislative domain and also supported by council of ministers? It was because of the aspirations of the people of Puducherry. Such arrangement was made by the constitutional makers and the parliament has made such powers to the union territories. But the point herein is that in umpteen number of cases in the Supreme Court of India, the Supreme Court has appealed that the administrators, that is, duly appointed by the union government, should not interfere in the internal affairs of the policy decisions of the union territory, that is Puducherry Legislative Council, that is Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Minister. But frequently the intervention of the administrator on the directions and dictates of the union government made the elected government not to be in a position to execute some of the welfare measures they decided to implement to the people of the union territory. The point herein is that since the union territory formations, for the past several decades, the people of Puducherry have been demanding, and also in the Legislative Assembly of Puducherry, they have made several resolutions so as to give statehood to the union territory, that is Puducherry statehood, but it was duly rejected by the union government in July 2019 by the external, that is Home Ministry, that it is not appropriate to give such a statehood at this given point of time. But in order to avert this constitutional crisis, the statehood to Puducherry shall be given in the larger interest of democracy and in the larger interest and welfare of the people of Puducherry. Thank you so much.